check it out. This is the gear selector mechanism. It goes on top of the steering column, down by the steering box. Been having problems with getting out of first gear sometimes. I took it all apart. These are little spring washers. Wave washers, a little worn out. One went here, the other one went here. But I think the problem was the play in here was allowing this pin to get in between them and causing issues. Because if you look at inside, you can see markings where that pin was probably hanging up. See one marking there, and there, there, and there. So I'm going to shim it up. I'm going to surface these items right here and see if that fixes it. Talk to you later. Bye. So hey, check it out. Like everything I do on the truck, I gotta do it 2 or 3 times to get it right. So I had to take these arms back off for the shifter linkage, the 3 on the tree, so I can put these bushings in here. This is the kit, comes with 4. This goes in the hole, this goes in that hole, and this goes on top of that, and it ends up looking like that. And I have to get this transfer punch. I custom ground a transfer punch to get the flare started with a hammer, and then I flattened it out with another punch, and it's all ready to go back together. Never takes as long the second time around. Talk to you later. Bye.